Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming two essentials: a secured Roblox account and a clear goal: buy Robux or earn them. Once done, choose the fastest path: redeem a Roblox gift card or enroll in Premium to gain a monthly Robux stipend. Make sure to check your local stores or official digital marketplaces for $10, $25, or $50 cards. Prices vary. While you prepare payment, verify account settings and parental controls, so the redemption step goes smoothly and safely. Now you execute the main acquisition methods: redeem or earn. If you purchased a gift card, open Settings, go to Billing, and enter the code. Robux appear instantly. Alternatively, subscribe to Roblox Premium to receive a fixed monthly Robux and access to trading. If you prefer earning, publish avatar items or game passes, price them competitively, and promote them in your games. These methods require patience, but they are legitimate and scalable. Make sure to track sales and adjust prices based on demand. Finish by verifying your Robux balance and saving any receipts or confirmation emails. You should also tighten security. Keep 2FA active and enable trade confirmations if you trade or sell items. If a redemption fails or Robux don't appear, double-check the code, redemption region, and that the card wasn't previously used. If problems persist, gather proof of purchase and contact Roblox support. Explain the issue calmly and provide receipts. One troubleshooting tip: try redeeming on desktop if mobile redemption fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.